My channel. This is Suraksha, and it's what day? Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's been ages that I haven't uploaded anything, but also I uploaded small clip yesterday, and I was uploading shorts videos, but not the proper vlog kind of thing. So from today I again started continuing my videos, like my daily vlogs. For sure I'm going to make videos for whole this month for sure. So that's that. And I know I am looking all over the place today because I wake up, I am done with my breakfast, and I am done most of the housework today, because I have to shoot this video. I have reels to shoot, and today I am thinking of showing some of my gifts. Like, I cannot show you everything because it's huge, like really huge, but yeah, I can show you some of the thing like which is really good and which add lots of value to my life. So that's what I'm going to show you. And also I need to take shower. Yes, of course, I haven't yet done with my shower. Maybe I will do my pedicure also at home. If I do, then I will show you. If I don't, then obviously I will not. And also, like, I have trimmed some of my hair, like a little bit of my hair. I think maybe you can see the difference or not, but I did. But I am thinking of chopping this much of hair, because my hair got damaged till here, but I cannot cut my hair till here. So because of that, maybe I will cut this much and trim some of my split ends today. And also another thing, I have to prepare lunch also. So that's the plan for today. So I will see you guys after some time. Okay, this is how we boil water when there is no light in our house. So I'm about to take shower, so I am boiling water, and here I am saving some hoods also. So that's why I am heating water with this paper, like carton things. So yeah, I am making lunch, like preparing lunch. I took shower. After that, I started preparing for lunch because my husband is about to come. So yeah, so all the household works. So here I am cooking rice in the rice cooker. So dinner is ready. Today we are having this beef, cauliflower, dal and chutney. So I was really hungry by this time. It's 12:30, but today I am feeling very hungry because I haven't took my breakfast properly. So yeah, and this chutney was so good. Now it's time to clean the kitchen. So yeah, sweeping all the floor because cockroaches, everywhere is cockroaches. So I am cleaning the house, like deep cleaning the house for summer. The summer is knocking the door, so because of that. And also my husband is helping me along because today we are going to change this carpet, like this carpet thing. We are going to put another one. So here is the new one, and excuse my carpet, like my foot mat, I need to get new one. So time for some refreshment. So now it's time to have tea. My favorite beverage. Tea is my favorite one. Uh, 5 in the evening. So like today I didn't chop my hair because I got really busy in between. After cleaning all the kitchen, I was super tired, so I took lunch first, and then I cleaned my kitchen, and then I took a nap, and I wake up, I make tea, now I'm here. So today we have fellowship in our home. In Thursdays we have fellowship, like a cottage fellowship in every Thursday. So today we have it in our home, so I'm a bit busy. After this I couldn't be able to vlog, and also we have planned to make momos for dinner, so that's that. So I will also, I'm extremely sorry that in earlier video today I told you that I'm gonna show you my gift, my wedding gift, some of my wedding gifts, but because I was very busy, I couldn't do it today. Maybe I will do it some other day for sure. And what else? Yeah, that's that. I will see you guys on another video. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.